everyone, I've just taken this out the bag, got a little unbagging. I wanted a new notebook, so this is what I got. I saw this and I thought, oh, I've got to try it. I've seen other people with them. Oh, well, in fact, it's in a jiffy bag. Ready? Can you see it? It's a peacock. So I thought, oh, it's a notebook. So it's only plain paper. I have seen one that's got like bullet journaling paper in it. I mean, not an awful lot of sheets, but they are quite thick. So it's well, that's thinner. Oh, hang on, I might glide here. The cover ones are thick. No, I lied. That one's thick. The first ones are thick. But for what I want, it's just for noting stuff down. So it's just like normal copier paper, that is. So that's more like a paper card. So yes, so I got myself this, and I'm so excited because I have never ever done a special before of any type, any diamond painting or anything. So got the same normal. Oh, it's got no wax. Surely you need wax for this one as well. Oh no, it is. I lied. Got my thumb on it. Got normal toolkit. Sorry about the crinkling winkling. Oh, let's have a look. So how many colours have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different ones. They've all got the name of, it must be the name of that. We'll do it that way. Can you see some little, hang on, teardrops, some pearlies, iridescent pearls, some orange, some like blue funny shaped ones, teardrops like limey green, turquoisey ones, bigger turquoise, little itty bitty tiny little diddly widdly ones, look. There's like ABs, a little bit I think they are. And there's silver, dark green, and a purple. Should we have a go? Shall we have a go? We'll have a go together, won't we? It can go one way or the other, can't it? It can either go drastically wrong. Let's not use one of my pens. We'll just use what's in the kit. Okay, so we'll. Can you see if I'm over here? No, you can't. And move the. There we go. There we're on the book. So we're gonna put some old wax in. Okay, just press it down. We've got our thing, we need some scissors. Have we got any scissors? Yeah, and loads of cut reminders. Sorry for the knock of the thing. Right, so we need, what should we do first? Should we do these ones, the dinky dinky ones? So go and find number 1. There's number 1. And I'm not worried about putting them into pots, because what we'll do is we'll just do all the ones. As I say, I've never ever put a special drill down, so this could be fun. This could go horribly wrong. So it's same principle. Dicky seat. So get one. Stick it on. Get one. Stick it on. Hey, look at this. I've always wanted to have a go at something with special drills. I remember I did have one, but I gave it to the mother-in-law to do. I think it was an owl, if I remember rightly. And I've never got round to ordering another one. And everybody told me they're fun to use. So the only thing is, because my light glaring. I hope it's not glaring off that too much. I've moved down the table a bit. Because in Wales now it is very dark and dingy from morning till night. So you don't get really daylight in my house anymore. It's always very dark and gloomy. So I've got the kitchen light on and the dining room, oh, that's upside down, dining room part on. But it's still very gloomy. Oh, that didn't want to stick. Why does that one not want to stick? Hello. I bet you're all laughing at me then. Okay. Let me put my scissors on there. So when it doesn't stick, check that your paper hasn't gone back down. So I've got Millie home ill today. She did go to school. She had a nosebleed again this morning, and she said, I'm going to go to school. She said, I do feel a bit sicky, Mum. So I said, well, yeah, go to school. I said, if it gets bad, I said, they'll soon phone me. So their school starts at 10 to 9. By 9:45, they phoned me, said, can you go and get Millie? She feels really sick. She's grey in colour. So I picked her up, and oh my God, she did look rough, bless her. So she's been sleeping on and off on the settee, so with a quilt, so you know she's not right. She says she's cold, even though she's got pyjamas on, a jumper on, dressing gown on, quilt over her, blanket over her. So I've taken some of it off her now and said, I think you're just overloading your body with too many covers. So she's a bit better now, but she fell asleep, bless her. And I was doing a bit, finishing that section that I started last night on my live. I was watching one of Mrs. Coffee's videos, and in she comes, and she lies on the kitchen floor. I said, why are you on the floor, Mills? I said, why are you on the floor? And she said, well, I'm hot and I'm cold. I said, well, oh, this is stick. This is stuck. Right, that got that better. I said, well, you're poorly. I said, are you still feeling ill? What? I said, are you awake, Mill? Yeah. I said, yeah, but you're on the floor. Yeah. So she got up and come and sat on the camel saddle by the kitchen table. And I said, Mill, are you awake? You know when you look at them and you think they're not quite all there? Yeah. I said, how are you feeling? Fine. I said, and she's quite shirty with it. I said, all right, just asking, like, just see how you're getting on. She said, I'm fine. And she walked off. And so I thought, oh, fair enough. Probably grumpy because she's not well. So I carried on watching Mrs. Coffee. Finished that, got up to make a drink, and in she comes. She said, all right, Mum? I said, yeah, how are you feeling? She said, oh, I don't feel too good. I said, oh, I said, have you gone downhill? She said, what do you mean? I said, well, you felt better earlier. She said, when? I said, when you came and lay on the floor. I haven't been in here, she said, I've been sleeping. I said, no, you come in and lay on the floor. I said, and had a conversation with me. She said, don't I, Mum, I haven't. I said, really, you have? I said, I even asked you if you were awake or not. And I said, you snapped at me. So Mama was right, she was. And a little walk around. Bless her. So I've tucked her back up with a drink. She has had some roll because she does pack lunch. So she had a roll. She said her throat feels a bit better. I think because all from the nosebleeds, because she had one of her major nosebleeds this morning. And she gets like clots quite heavily at the back before it stops bleeding, and then I know it sounds gross, but the clots go down the back of her throat because she's not allowed to blow them out because it would start the bleeding again. So that was making her feel gagging as well. So I don't think that helped. But she's definitely picked up something. I said she had, her immune system seems to be very low at the moment. She's had tonsillitis last week. Now this week, like I keep taking her to the doctor because she's lost so much weight. So I'm just, don't know what's going on with her, bless her, but she looks absolutely, well, she looks like, you know, you see somebody in a refugee camp sort of look, where the eyes are sunken, they're grey skinned, they haven't eaten, they look like skin and bones. That's what she looks like today. Oh, sorry, I just knocked the canvas. Right, any more ones there? Nope. Can you see any more ones? Oh, some in the middle. Some in the middle, look. See? Did you see them? I nearly missed them. I'll pull that back to there. Hopefully I haven't got my ugly head in the way. Oh, I'm liking this. What do you guys think? Yes, I know I saw that one with like bullet journaling pages on eBay, so I'm going to have to scour it again. I thought it might have been in my history, but it wasn't. No, it wasn't even on bloody eBay. It's definitely eBay or Amazon, one or the other. Because I really would like one of the ones, if it's got like bullet journaling pages. I think Millie would quite like it as well, because she does a lot of bullet journaling. Well, she does it for her emotions, trying to get her to write down her emotions when she has her meltdowns. Because lady from the autistic evaluation, she said, Millie said to her she doesn't understand her emotions, so she said to write things down that's in her head. Doesn't matter if it makes no sense. So that's what she's been trying to do, and she quite likes bullet journaling, to write different things down. I don't know whether it works, what she writes, because I said I would never ever read it unless she asked me to. These look good, don't they? I hope you can see all right. I'm trying to get used to this. I should really turn the phone the other way around now it's up there, because I could see underneath, couldn't I? Whereas I've got it where you have to look over the top, where the camera is, the phone is held. Hey, hey, I really like this. This is something you could do in bed, this one, isn't it? Because it's so small. You can even do all one colour in one go. Loads of people said, oh, you'll like them. And I said, no, I don't know. I don't know if I can get into special drills, all these different shapes and sizes. Don't think it's me, but actually, it's quite good. So I can hear people say, told you so. Told you to enjoy it. Would you listen? No. But I am enjoying it. It's starting to come together already, isn't it? Come on, pick it up. That's it. And who doesn't like peacocks? You gotta love it, the peacock. That's upside down. Mind you saying, because it's a peacock, Jessie might want it. Do you know what she's like with her peacocks? Put that on, monkey. What have I done there? I need to shift that one over a bit. They all fit in there, do they? Whoop. It will go in there. I told you it would. There you go. I should have done that in order, shouldn't I? But hey ho, never mind. I think Millie wants me, so I'll have to go. What I'll do is I'll finish it off and I'll put a picture. Shall I finish it off? Actually, I don't know if I'm going to have time to finish it off. If I get time to finish it off, I'll put a picture on the end of this video. If not, I'll put a picture up on my Facebook page and on Instagram. Because Millie's just come in, that's who's at the door there, beckoning. So yeah, so what do you think? So that's all the ones done. It's alright, isn't it? I think it's going to be sparkly sparkly. So I'll love you and leave you and speak to you all again. Thank you for popping in and having a look at my video. I really appreciate it. If you want to get in contact, details are down below. Take care, look after yourselves and speak soon.